Good morning class. We have already discussed chapter electricity. Now we have to discuss sources of energy, that is chapter number 14 of NCERT. First, what is energy? Energy is ability or capacity of doing work. Energy is what? Energy is ability or capacity of doing work. Sources of energy are of two types. We mainly describe in two types. First, renewable source. Renewable source are those sources which are present in plenty and cannot be exhausted in near future. Example like sun, wind, water, etc. Now second, we have non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source are those sources which can be exhausted in near future. Like example, petrol, diesel, fuels. So first we discuss the fuels. Fuels is what? See here, those substance which on combustion produce heat and light, which on combustion produce heat and light are called fuels. There are some characteristics of good fuel. First, it should be cheap. Example, we have kerosene, that is also a cheap fuel. Second, we have it is easily available. Example, we have petrol, diesel, which is also easily available. Third, we have it should be smokeless, that it should not produce smoke on combustion. Fourth, we have it should not produce ash. After combustion, it should not produce ash. Fifth, we have it should be pollution free. It should be pollution free. Sixth, we have it is easy to store, handle and transport. It should be store easily, transport easily and handle easily. Now we have most important point, seventh point, that is high calorific value. Calorific value is the new word for you. Calorific value means amount of heat released, amount of heat released per, on combustion of 1 unit mass, on combustion of 1 unit mass in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen. Amount of heat released, listen carefully, amount of heat released in burning 1 unit mass of fuel in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen. It should be high, it should be high, it should be high. If it is high, then fuel is good fuel. Last, we have ignition temperature should be proper. Ignition temperature is also a new word for you. Ignition temperature, it is the minimum temperature at which fuel start burning. Listen carefully, it is a minimum temperature at which fuel start burning. It should be proper because it should be more than room temperature for us. It should be more than room temperature for us. एक बार और देख लेते हैं. हाई कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू, कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू मींस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिलीज्ड in burning 1 unit of fuel in the presence of oxygen completely. And ignition temperature is the minimum temperature at which fuel start burning. Second, we have after fuel coal, which is the major source in India, which is the major source in India. It contains compound of sulfur and nitrogen. It contains compound of sulfur and nitrogen. In India, Raniganj, Zaria, etc., we have coal mines. There are four types of coal. First, peat. First is peat. According to carbon content, we have discussed. First is peat, that is contain only 27% of carbon. First we have peat. It is also called worst coal because the carbon content is very less. Second, we have lignite. It is also called soft coal. It is also called soft coal, which contain 28 to 30%, which contain 28 to 30% carbon. Third, we have bituminous. Bituminous is household coal. Household coal, it contains 78 to 80%. It is used in laundries. We discussed earlier. Question next, fourth is anthracite. Anthracite is the best coal, which carbon content is 94 to 98%. Uses of coal now. Uses of coal. First, it is used in domestic and industrial fuel. Domestic we use in laundries. Industrial we use in thermal power plant. Second, we also write thermal power plant. We use coal for producing energy in thermal power plant. Third, if we burn coal, then the gas is produced is coal gas. Fourth, we make coke by destructive distillation. If we destruct the coal fully, then we get the coke, which is fine powder. So class, we have now the quick revision about the today's class. What is energy? Energy is ability or capacity of doing work. There are two types of sources of energy. First is renewable source, second is non-renewable source. Renewable source are those source which cannot be exhausted in near future, and non-renewable source are exhausted in near future. Then we discuss about the fuels. Fuels are those which on combustion produce heat and light, that is energy. So it is also a source of energy. Characteristics of good fuel, we have discussed 8 characteristics. It should be cheap, easily available, smokeless, ashless, pollution free, store, easy to handle and transport. Then we discuss high calorific value. Calorific value means amount of heat released per unit mass burning, and the amount of heat released when produced when 1 unit mass of fuel is completely burned in the presence of oxygen. Ignition temperature should be proper, it should be more than room temperature. Then we discuss about the coal, which is major source in India. Then we have four types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite. According to carbon content, 27, 28 to 30, 78 to 27%, 94 to 98%. Then we discuss uses of coal: domestic and industrial fuel, thermal power plant, coal gas, make coke by destructive distillation. So now, and in next class we have discussed petroleum gas, that is CNG and LPG. Thank you.